how are you doing? I heard that your sweet dog died a couple of months ago.
It's still sad, but he was 15 years old and lived a good life. Sammy and I are thinking about getting a puppy. We miss having a pet.
Oh, that's exciting. Any idea what kind?
No plan yet. We'll probably go to the shelter and get a mutt.
Lots of dogs there need homes for sure.
Exactly. I don't like buying pets from pet stores or breeders.
Did you see the forecast? They're predicting a huge snowstorm for Friday afternoon.
Oh, I heard that. I was thinking of taking the day off work. I don't want to get caught out in it.
Same here. The roads will be treacherous.
Oh, they definitely will be, especially with the budget cutbacks. The city barely has any snowplows. It takes them hours to clear even the main roads.
I know, right? I've noticed that recently too.
Well, stay safe, and let me know if you need anything. I have a 4x4 truck, so I can come rescue you if you need.
Sure thing. Thank you. I'm stocked up on food and water though, so I can just stay home. Did you hear that we might break the heat record for today?
Oh, wow. What's the temperature supposed to be?
They're predicting 37 degrees.
That's insane. You know where I'll be? At the movie theater the entire day. That's too hot to even go to the beach.
For real. Thankfully, I have air conditioning at my house. Come over for a beer if you want.
I may take you up on that offer. Are you serious?
Sure. Come over this afternoon after lunch if you want.
Hey, Sho, you're up to date on the latest technology. Maybe you can help me. I'm thinking about getting a new phone.
What do you have now?
An iPhone, but it's old and slow now. I want something new.
Are you happy with the iPhone, or are you considering switching?
What do you think?
Well, the Samsung phones are nice and have more bang for the buck. You pay a premium for Apple stuff.
I'm open to switching. Do you have a model recommendation?
Let me look into it a bit, and I'll text you later, okay?
Bob, what's that flashy new thing you're holding there?
Oh, it's the latest iPhone.
How did you get it? I thought there was a waiting list.
Exactly. I got on the waiting list the day it became available.
Lucky you. Is it worth the hype?
It's pretty impressive, but I can't imagine waiting in line for it. It is certainly better than my old iPhone.
Nice. I'm thinking about getting one, but it's a bit out of my price range.
I know. It's too much money for what it is.